Welcome to my complete guide on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In this guide, I will be walking you through all the steps necessary in order to solve your first Rubik's Cube. All you need is a cube, some willpower, and proper guidance. This guide is intended for beginners who are interested in solving the cube. It doesn't matter how much experience you have with the cube at all. Anyone can learn at any time. If you're worried that you won't be able to solve the cube because you're not some super genius, don't be worried at all. It's completely normal to think that you need to be smart to solve a Rubik's Cube, but in reality, that's not true. Anyone can solve a Rubik's Cube. This step-by-step guide will finally help you solve that Rubik's Cube that's been sitting on your desk unsolved for years. Thanks for checking out this guide. See you inside.